So good morning, everyone. Today again we are going to practice for the final exam, computer basic final exam. So चलते हैं. Yeah. So just tell me, a process is a what? Single thread of execution, program in the execution, program in the memory, or task. Which is the correct answer? Option 1, 2, 3, 4.
C, sir.
C.
B, sir.
Wrong answer. B. Program in the execution. Okay. And your final exam also this kind of question will come. One question and 4 answers. Okay. And you have to choose the correct answer. Like let me show you one paper. Yeah. And all of you have already given one test in the month of April, right? For computer basic. Like one question, 4 answers there. You have to choose the correct answer. And at the below you have to submit your answer paper, right? Submit answer. ठीक है? ऐसे आप लोगों को फाइनल एग्जाम देना है. मैंने एक वीडियो भी अपलोड किया था यूट्यूब के ऊपर, और ये वेबसाइट के अंदर भी मेंशन है that how you have to submit your papers. Let me show you. Just wait a minute. Yeah, exam pattern information. This video, okay? Exam pattern information. When you click on this link, you can see there's a one video will come. And that day I explain you about the exam, huh? कि exam कैसे आप लोगों को देना है. So hello everyone. I'm going to play again this video for 1-2 seconds. So for few seconds, so you can see ना. And exam patterns. तो आप लोगों का एग्जाम है ना 3 जून को. तो आपका एग्जाम कैसे होगा? I will share you a link. So when you open the link, that link, तो आपको ऐसा ये पेपर मिलेगा, पेज. ठीक है. जब आप पेज को ओपन करोगे, लिंक को ओपन करोगे, ऐसा पेज ओपन होगा. Then you can write here the name. You have to write your name here. Suppose if your name is Rohit, so you will write here the Rohit. Like this. Then you have to check your RC number. Okay. You have to write your RC number here like 5130000 जो भी होगा 513 डैश जो भी आपका आरसी नंबर को वो आप यहाँ पे लिखना. ठीक है. I don't know your RC number, so you can write your RC number here. यहाँ पे आपको सिलेक्ट करना है जेंडर, मेल और फीमेल. नेक्स्ट यू हैव टू सिलेक्ट अफगान, रोहिंगा, कांगो, हिंदू, सिख, अफगान, इथियोपिया, एरिट्रिया, सोमालिया. अगर ये सब है तो ठीक है. अगर कोई अदर्स है तो यू कैन सेलेक्ट अदर्स ऑप्शन. देन राइट द फादर नेम हियर. Write here the phone number. By default name is enter is Google. Then you can see there's some questions, okay, and the answers also. Like in Microsoft Word, shortcut key Control W is used for what? What is the correct answer? कोई बताएगा इसमें से correct answer क्या है?
Sir, close the correct windows.
Close the current window. But you have 4 options like open the print dialog box, update the current web page, close the current window, or none of these. So you have to choose the correct answer like this. Then is it clear to everyone? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you have to select the answer like that and at the end you have to submit your answers. Okay. सबसे नीचे एक बटन होगा जिस पे लिखा होगा सबमिट योर आंसर्स. आपको उस पे क्लिक करना होगा तो आपका एग्जाम पेपर सबमिट हो जाएगा. ये जो बटन होगा यहाँ पे लिखा होगा सबमिट आंसर, वो आपको यहाँ पे क्लिक करना है. ठीक है. तो इससे आपका एग्जाम पेपर सबमिट हो जाएगा. एंड आई विल गेट द नोटिफिकेशन द सेम टाइम. ठीक है. तो चलो थोड़ा सा प्रैक्टिस कर लेते हैं आज अगेन.
Okay, sir.
I think Sana, now your doubts is clear, huh? Okay.
Yes.
Second question: the word processing feature that catches the most random typographical errors and spellings in spelling is known as what? Grammar check, spell checker, word checker, or none of these? Which is the correct answer?
Spell checker, sir. Spell checker, B.
Spell checker, okay? Because it is asking about the misspelling. So spell check. If it is about the grammar checking, so grammar checker will be the correct answer, huh? Okay, what is the smallest unit of the information? Bit, byte, block, nibble.
Bit, sir. A bit.
Bit is the smallest, okay? How many bits equals to 1 byte?
Sir, D.
How many bits makes 1 byte? 8. Number of 8. 8 bits means 1 byte. All of you forget, huh? Binary number 9. Which element is used for make computer chips? Which of the following natural element is primary element in computer chips? Silicon, carbon, iron, or uranium?
D, sir. B.
Silicon. Okay.
Silicon, sir.
Yeah, and in which generation these silicon chips were used? First, second, third, fourth? In which generation of computer the silicon chips means the IC used in the computer? First generation, second generation, third generation, and fourth generation? Bolo? Fourth generation. In the fourth generation, IC, integrated circuit, were used. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Which of the following programs enables you to calculate numbers related to rows and columns? Windows program, spreadsheet program, graphics program, or word program?
Sheet, sir. A, sir. B. B, sir.
B is the correct answer. Spreadsheet. Spreadsheet means the Excel worksheet. Okay. We do calculation on the spreadsheet, Excel, huh? Okay. Which of the following is an output device? Keyboard, mouse, light pen, or VDU?
Sir, VDU. Sir, VDU.
VDU. What is the full name of the VDU?
Sir, video.
Not a full name video. कोई बताएगा? What is the full name of video? Sorry, VDU. Visual Display Unit. Okay. The full name is Visual Display Unit. Okay. Which of the following is an input device? Which of the following is an input device? Plotter, printer, VDU, mouse.
Keyboard and mouse. Mouse, sir.
Sorry?
Mouse.
Mouse is the input device. Correct. Which of the following is the extension of Notepad? Option 1,
A,
2,
sir.
3, 4.
A, sir.
A.
Option
sir.
1. Option 1. Dot
Yes.
txt. This one is the correct answer. Okay.
Sir, can I ask
Yes.
question?
Yes.
यही क्वेश्चन हमारे एग्जाम में आएगा?
I'm not sure, but आ सकता है. ठीक है. The question will look like this. So that's why I am going to help you ना कि आप इसमें से प्रैक्टिस को इसमें से प्रैक्टिस करोगे तो आपको थोड़ा पता चल जाएगा कि एग्जाम कैसे होगा. Because I cannot tell you the which question will come in your exam, but the exam will be based on this pattern. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you.
A computer is accurate, okay? But if the result of a computation is a false, what is the main reason for it? Power failure, computer circuit, or incorrect data entry, or distraction?
C, sir.
Option
C,
1,
sir.
2, 3, 4.
C, sir.
C, incorrect data entry, because if you wrote something wrong, so you will get the wrong answer, obviously, right?
Yes, sir.
The central processing unit is located in the hard disk, system unit, memory unit, or monitor.
Hard disk. System unit, sir. B, sir.
Correct answer is the B, system unit, okay? The central processing unit means the CPU is located in the system unit and it is attached with the motherboard. It is attached with the motherboard. It is connected to motherboard, okay? Okay, which one of the following groups contains graphical file extension? इनमें से कौन graphical file extension है? Option 1, 2, 3, 4.
A. D, sir. B, sir. D.
This one is the correct answer, okay? Fourth one. Okay, so the next question. Which of the following is equal to 1 gigabyte? 1024 byte, 512 GB, or 1024 megabyte, or 1024 bits? Which is the correct answer?
C, sir. 524 megabytes.
This one is the correct answer. 1024 megabytes, this means 1024 MB equal to 1 gigabyte, or you can say 1 GB also, okay? Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Next question. How many bytes does 4 kilobytes represent? How many bytes does 4 kilobytes represent? Option 1, 512.
Yes,
Option 2, 1024. Option C, 4096. Option 4, 8192. How many bytes does equal to 4 kilobytes? C?
C, sir. C.
4096 is
C.
the correct answer. Very good. Which type of program acts an intermediary between a user of a computer and the computer hardware? इसमें से कौन सा सॉफ्टवेयर कौन सा प्रोग्राम है जो वो इट्स क्रिएट इंटरमीडिएट बिटवीन यूजर एंड कंप्यूटर हार्डवेयर पार्ट्स? मतलब वी आर द यूजर ठीक है. So who is creating link between user and the computer parts? Operating system, user thread, super user thread, or application program? Which one?
A, sir.
A, operating system, right?
Yes, sir.
What is the most important in your computer? Operating system or system software?
C, sir. Assembly
Sorry,
language.
the application software or system software? Which one is the most important? I'm repeating again. Which is the most important for the computer? System software or application software?
System software.
System software, because if system software is not available in the computer, so you cannot operate the computer, okay? If you don't have application software like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Photoshop, but you can open the computer, you can switch on the computer, you can work something else. But if in the computer there is a no system software, so you cannot operate, okay? Is it clear? Is it clear to everyone? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What kind of language can computer understand? Normal language, computer language, assembly language, high level language? Which language?
C, sir. C, sir. C.
A,
B.
normal language. Wrong answer.
C, sir.
Sir.
C, sir.
Assembly language, okay? Which is the correct answer? Assembly language. And assembly language is a scripting language capable of telling computer explicitly what to do, okay? So the assembly language computer can understand. What is the full form of RAM?
Sir, B, random access memory.
Random access memory, okay? Good. What is the full form of which of the following is not considered hardware?
D, sir. Hard text. D,
Repeating again. Which of the following is not considered hardware? 1, operating system, 2, CPU, 3, CPU keyboard, and 4, hard disk. इनमें से कौन हार्डवेयर नहीं है?
A, sir. Sir,
A,
CPU.
operating system is not considered hardware, okay? Because operating system is a software. Is it okay? Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
And please, I'm repeating again, requesting again, in a final exam also, all of you read the question properly, then choose the correct answer, right?
Okay, yes, sir.
Okay. What is the full form of USB? Unshielded system board, universal system board,
B, sir.
unidentified system bus, or universal system bus? 1, 2, 3, 4.
D, sir.
D, sir.
D, universal system bus, okay? Okay, everyone? Is it okay, everyone? This answer?
No. Yes, sir.
Okay, so please reply, na? And please let me finish question, then give the answers, huh? Before finishing my question, you are giving answers, huh? Okay. What is 5 main components of a computer system? What is the 5 main components of a computer system? Option 1, CPU, CD-ROM, mouse, keyboard, sound card. Option 2, memory, video card, monitor, software, hardware. Option C, modem, keyboard, word processor, printer, screen. Option D, CPU, memory, system bus, input, output. All these are important. All these are important, okay? But tell me the most important.
D.
D. This one is the correct answer. Okay. CPU, memory, and system bus and input output. Because keyboard, mouse, monitor, CPU all comes in under the input and output system. Okay. Which of the following numbers is a binary number? 1, 2, 0 and 0.1, 2 and 0, and 0 and 1. Which is the correct answer?
Sir. 0 and 1. D, sir. Sir, 0 and 1.
0 and 1 is the binary, okay? Okay, the use of the IC in a computer has option 1, reduce the size and cost of computer. Sorry, option 1, increase the amount of heating. Option 2, reduce the size and cost of computers. Option 3, reduce the peripherals devices to be used. Option 4, reduce the performance capacity of the computer. 1, 2, 3, 4. Which is the correct answer?
B, sir. B, sir.
B? Yeah,
Yes.
correct answer is the B. Reduce the size and cost of computer. Because while at the beginning, which part was used in the computer? At the beginning of the time, okay? Which part was used to make circuits in the computer, in the first generation computer? Can you tell me?
Model 1. Sir.
Vacuum tubes. Okay? At the beginning, vacuum tubes were used to make circuit for the computer. And that time, the size of the computer was too big. And it was so expensive also. And it consuming so lots of space also. Okay? And slowly, they did invention. They convert vacuum tubes into the transistor, then convert it into a transistor. Then it converted into the integrated circuits. Okay, I see. So slowly it converted. Okay. And it reduced the size of the computer also and cost of the computer also. Because at the beginning, well, when the people were using computer for home, na, so that time cost of one computer, it is I think more than 1 lakh rupees. But now see, nowadays within 10,000 you can get computer. It reduced the price. Which one of the following is not input device? Keyboard, mouse, speaker, scanner.
Sir, speaker.
The speaker is not input because it is output device, right? Which one of the following is an example of the browser software? Microsoft Word, Notepad, Internet Navigator और Internet Explorer. इसमें से कौन browsing software है?
Sir, D. Notepad.
D, sir.
Huh?
Answer D. Option D.
Internet Explorer, okay? Browsing software means on which software you can use internet. So we can use internet on the Internet Explorer. Which one of the following commands can be used to work on a file? Control plus XY, control plus 2, control plus C, and none of these.
Control 2, sir.
Huh?
C, sir.
Control plus 2.
B, sir. B, sir. B, sir. Control plus 2.
Control plus C and control plus 2, both. Control plus C and control plus 2, both. This is also correct, and this one is also correct. You know why control plus 2 is correct? Because if you press control 2, control plus 2, so it is the shortcut key for line space double. Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good.
Yes, sir.